GIS was honored with the reconstruction of the Grand Isle Catholic Church after the devastation of Hurricane Ida. Really, we're excited about landing this opportunity with the company because of the long history with the church and with our roots embedded in Grand Isle and the people of Grand Isle. Grand Isle is a very resilient community. They've bounced back from numerous storms. Just like this one here, they're gonna bounce back again. But the reconstruction of the church has had really something special in GIS's heart, in my heart. It gave me plenty of opportunities back in the early days. My grandfather was real active in the church, whether it was setting up for the blessing of the flea on the fairgrounds there at the facility, or whether it was construction or maintenance of some things in the church that he would have us work with him and do. So we got to work along hand in hand with our grandfather, me and Brian and Mark. And that's where our early days started. We learned a lot. The main beams in the church had lighting up there that was burnt. And me, a 13-year-old boy, he extended an extension ladder, old rickety extension ladder up there to that beam. And he had me stick the light bulbs in my shirt so I wouldn't drop them, and climb that ladder and change those bulbs. One of the scariest times of my life when I was a kid, for sure. But he always reassured me, he said, "Brad, I got you." We were all very fortunate to be able to grow up in that environment and with that setting and that background. I want to extend a big thank you for all the people involved with the reconstruction, from Father Mark all the way to our crews and our teams that were out there on the site especially, and also the community, all the support that they have given us over the years. That's truly where, back in '48, grandfather went down there and planted the seed, and that's where our roots are. That's what we call home.